Do you ever go on a local walk and wonder what the birds are around you and what they're all up to? Well, in this episode of Lockdown Walks, we're going to chat about and meet our bird neighbours. Hi, I'm Joe Woodman and I'm a DPhil student at the University of Oxford studying birds. And today, for this lockdown walk, I'm in Wytham Woods. So the first bird I wanted to talk about is the robin. And this is a bird that can be found in the UK all year round, and actually they continue singing right through the winter, which not many other birds do. So if you've heard some really nice birdsong over the last few months, the chances are it's probably a robin. And singing that loudly does actually take up a lot of energy for such a small bird, so if you have heard a robin singing a lot over the winter, then it's a good sign that that bird is getting plenty of food. Our next bird to keep an eye out for on our lockdown walks are blue tits. And these birds are getting busier and busier around this time of year as we move into spring because they're getting ready for the breeding season. So you might see them start to check out nest boxes and holes in trees. When it comes to breeding, these birds are pretty amazing because although they're only small, just one of them can lay up to 16 or sometimes even more eggs in one season. A bird quite similar to blue tits but a little bit bigger that you might also see are great tits. And these are probably actually a bit easier to recognise because they've got this really distinctive song that kind of goes... So this kind of up and down thing that people quite often say sounds a bit like they're saying teacher, teacher. And a final bird, which I probably won't see in the woods, are these pied wagtails. And these are quite funny little birds that run along the grass, wagging their tails, obviously. And it's funny behaviours because no one really knows properly why they do it. It might be to flush out insects that they eat from the grass, or it might be maybe to attract mates. So I've talked about quite a few birds there, and hopefully when you're on your next lockdown walk, you'll be able to keep your eyes and ears open and see if you can spot any birds local to you.